everyone, welcome to my video, 5 hours in Ghent. I'm just arrived here from the train station. Now I'm walking into town, home by the river. I'll show you how I got here and then I'll meet you in town. Here we are in town centre, and the rain has followed me all the way from Manchester. First, I visit the old post office. A beautiful building which is now being turned into a shopping centre. Back in the main square again now. Started to rain even more now, so this looks like a nice place for a pizza. As the wind blows and the rains fall, I'm fighting with my umbrella. And the streets become even more deserted as everyone tries to find shelter. Walking down Graffiti Street. I'm looking for a bar to shelter from the rain. And this is it. And 500 beers to choose from. And a nice cosy fire to sit by. I choose the Special Max. Notice I'm only wearing one shoe. The other is suspended from the ceiling, which I will get back when I pay the bill. After a few hours, the rain stopped and the daylight faded. Unfortunately, it's time to leave now. I haven't seen much of the town, but what I have seen, I enjoyed. It's just a shame about the rain. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.